In this video, I'm going to show you how to add columns to your site using the best website builder. Columns are a really unique posting type that have a lot of functionality. It'll take your content and divide it up into separate parts. This will make more sense whenever I show you. Once you log into your site, just click on the Columns tab right here in the Content Creation dialog box, and then we can begin by adding a title to this post. This post example is going to be all about our customers. And I'm going to go ahead and style the font while I'm here. Next, you can see that we have column 1. You can begin with column 1 by adding an image or a video. And you'll notice most of the time that you can add an image, you also have the option to add a video as well. Let's take a look and add an image. I have already loaded some images in here for this example, so I'm just going to choose one now and click OK. And then I can add a title to go with that image on this column. So this is going to be all about customer satisfaction. And I'm going to go ahead and style the font now. I'm not going to add a description for this example, but I am going to add a button. I want them to learn more about how we satisfy our customers. And you're just going to have them go to another page on the site. You have all the normal link types available to you on these buttons. So I'm going to take them to Our Story page for this example. And for the button color, I've actually copied the hex code for the purple that's in this image. And I can paste it in here now just by doing Control V or Command V or any of the pasting options I showed you earlier. That way the button color really goes with the image. And since these are both centered, I'm going to keep the button center. I'm going to quickly add another column just by clicking the plus symbol here. And this photo is about customer support. And I'm going to style the text now and add a button as well. Again, since I have the hex code already in my clipboard, I can go ahead and paste it again, and it'll make sure that my buttons are consistent. I'm going to add one more column for customer reviews. And add the button again for this column. And just paste in that hex code color so it'll all be consistent. Now I'm just going to take a look at each column. You can click on the tabs to see which one you're editing. It's important to make sure that you are editing the correct column, so be sure to take a look at the text and the image to make sure that you do want to edit that one. With the photos, you can also have it enlarged. I talked about this in the photo post, where when people click on the image, it'll open it up larger in a shadow box. You can also link the image as well. I don't need either of these options right now because I have a button at the bottom. I just want them to click on that button. Let's click Post and take a look. All right, I'm liking it. So I'm going to go ahead and adjust the row settings a little bit though. And you know what? I'm going to add a background color. There we are. I like that. Now, you can always edit the post again here, and you can rearrange the columns just by dragging and dropping them. So let's rearrange them now and take a look. Very cool. And you can add up to 4 columns on a column post, and you can always delete a column if you don't need it anymore by clicking the X right here. Let's see how this looks on multiple devices. All right. Now you'll notice that the columns on mobile, let's go to the mobile view only, it actually takes the columns and it moves it stacks them vertically instead of horizontally. It does this automatically. It's part of the responsive design, and that way it's a much user-friendly experience for people when they're looking at your site on a phone. I hope you've enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching.